Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today with me, Joey, here to make banana bread. Obviously, banana bread is one of the all-time favorite desserts for everyone ever. But today, we're going to show you how to make a fast, easy, and delicious banana bread. But first, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, we got our oven preheating to 350 degrees and we have a 7x11 pan here that's well greased and ready to go. We have 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar here that we're gonna mix together with 1/4 cup or 1 stick of butter. We have 1 1/2 eggs that are lightly beaten together, and we're gonna add into that 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 1/2 banana. These have been aging and they got to the point where I didn't really want to eat them, so I just stuck them in the freezer. And this is what they're going to look like when they're thawed out. You're going to see the water start to come out of them, so let's make sure you get all the juices and things like that come out whenever you thaw them out. And we've got 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract back here. After that, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of AP flour, along with 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And we're going to finish it off with 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. These are not finely chopped. As you can tell, they're kind of rough, and I am totally fine with that. That way, they do get spread throughout, but that way you actually still have a decent bite of walnut whenever you find it in there. And we're going to top it with just a little bit of coarse brown sugar. We happen to have this. If you don't, you can top it with just a little bit of regular granulated sugar, but we're looking to get that extra crunch. So, as I said, we're going to take the butter, we're going to add it right into the sugar, and just make sure we get it all down in there. And we're going to mix. Alright, now that those things are in, we're going to slowly add in the egg. I didn't mention this before, but you want to make sure the egg's fully incorporated before you keep adding more. Alright, we're going to go ahead and rake down the sides for the first time. And then we're going to add in the buttermilk we got, the bananas, and the vanilla extract. Alright, once we got those things mixed really well, we're going to go ahead and take the baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and I'm just going to add it to my flour. And the reason I do that is so that it goes in together and none of the leaveners specifically get all clumped up. We want to make sure that it gets divided out. Alright, as you can see, it's starting to get thick and creamy now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and rake down the sides for the last time. Make sure we get everything incorporated. Don't forget the bottom and the things that are actually underneath the surface. You can obviously see what's on top, but it's easy to forget the things that are down in the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and call that good and add the walnuts in, and we're going to go ahead and mix for the last time. Alright, so that makes our batter. So now that our batter is complete, what we're going to do is we're just going to take and rake it into our greased pan. I chose a 7x11 pan because of how I want to cut mine, but this... There it is. And we're going in 20 minutes. We'll catch back up. 9x5 loaf pan, I would bake it for a really long time. There it is. And we're going in 20 minutes. We'll catch back up. Alright guys, as promised, it's been about 25 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the banana bread out and test it. Looks a little wiggly in the middle, but we're gonna go ahead and poke it. Sure enough, it is not done. So we're gonna go ahead and give it about 15 more minutes and see where we're at. All right, guys, we are back. It's been about 15 additional minutes. And as you can see here, now it has that nice, rich banana bread color that you're used to seeing. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put the knife in. See, this time it comes out clean. So that means that we're done. If you see the glisten across the top, those are the large crystal sugar that we added. And that's what's actually formed that nice, firm crust on top. So guys, there you have it. That's how you make banana bread. Keep in mind that you can always put other things with it, such as custard, nuts, fruit, or any combination of those things. Let me know how yours turns out. Thanks for watching.